block the top. We don't need to see that. We don't need
Nobody's looking that way.
we are children of God. We don't be.
Look, it was literally just a popsicle, bro.
Yeah, exactly.
It's just water. It's just water. Water is just.
No? Okay. Welcome to yet another video. Here we are at 7-Eleven on some Playboy Cardi, like, free Uzi type junk.
Free Uzi. Yeah. I'm with that girl not gonna need me. Nah, homie.
Hey, fit check.
Somebody save me.
Ooh, in his arms tonight, dude.
In your arms tonight.
Put him on the news side. Put him on the news side. Put him on the.
Somebody save me. In your arms tonight. Sliding to the left. Sliding to the right. Are you recording me?
Yeah, bro.
Stop recording!
Hey.
Special guest appearance, guys. Before she goes home, we have the SEU Plot Twist of the Year 2025. New addition to the lifestyle of Virgil Stevens, Richie Lopez, and DJ Bellson, Kiki, Pam, and Salma.
How do you know my last name? What? How do you know my last name?
Helicopter.
Chat. 35-year-old man.
Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm about to fall. Oh, I'm about to fall and crash. Please stop. What on earth is going on, bro? Dak, why are we?
You're doing a white person activity right now.
I'm indulging in some white people activities. We got tents in the backyard, though. Wait, hold on. Look at the sunset. Oh my gosh. Wait, please. Are you talking?
I'm locking it. I'll lock it with this Chipotle so I can actually.
I got 300 more words left of my essay.
Hey guys, hey,
1,500 words. I'm really at 800, but I'm not gonna finish that job.
All right.
Who's this one?
I have no clue, but hey, look at that. Boom. Bam, bam.
Bop. Yo, bro. Hey! Ah, you're just not an asshole.
Yeah,
This is what happens.
All right, I'm about to bend it up. You ready? Yeah.
This is what happens when you make black people do white people things.
No, but it's a white person leading it. It doesn't matter.
Uh-oh.
Oh, stick it
Jeremiah. What?
Just like that.
Just like that, Gerard.
Mac, do you have blankets?
Oh, my fault.
Cause like, no, it's like you gotta put a pallet down though. We can't actually sleep on the ground, right? yo,
I don't know how this works, bro.
Ah! Nah, Davin Long, you're the one, brother Gee.
Hey guys, welcome to yet another video on my channel. We did take a pause on our camping adventure to come play basketball with black people. More power to the people, man.
When I'm off, they show me booze. Ice on my neck, I'm about to suicide with the booze. I pull up, I want all of the drugs and the good luck. I'm cooking, I'm whipping into a rock, let it lock up. I gave it 10 bucks, I told her go shop it and spend it all at the pop-up. They suck thick and they bustin' for Instagram, get your clout up. Yeah, that way. Go on the trip like a Segway. Yeah, that way. I get the trap out of Subway. Yeah, that way. What? Young trap with the AK. Yeah, that way. Big, get it dough, Macy. Right.
Prime time basketball.
The darkest white man in the nation, Dawson. How you say your last name, bro? Dawson. Get the drip. Chat, welcome back to, I don't even know, bro. I'm tired. So what's up, little bro? What up, y'all? What are you doing tonight? We just hooped for a little bit. It was actually kind of boring, I'm not gonna lie. Shout out Kyrie Andrew Irving for personally sending me these. I'm just kidding, he actually didn't do that. He didn't know I am. Yeah, we're about to play Manhunt. And we have home court advantage because we're playing in the dark and we're black. Easy dub. I'm not gonna record because it's gonna draw too much attention. But that's just the plans for tonight.
A few moments later.
Nah.
She was a fairy.
Guys. Oh wait. Guys. Let's just say Manhunt was great.
Yo, JJ missed the whole entire cutscene.
As you can see, we're in the wilderness.
Yo, stop touching me, bro.
So we only made it like 20 hours. We lost.
We lost.
I think the universe got us. The universe is up one on us.
Guys. Scale of 1 to 10. How cooked do I look?
You're a victim.
Allergies are killing us. Got Mario in a tent. Took our tent down. I look like I went through war. I feel like I went through it too. Rich, how you feel about last night?
Last night was a movie.
It wasn't movie. Quite literally was a movie.
Senator, I'm saying 40.
You just had to be there.
It feels like I did like 50 push-ups. Like my arms hurt.
How?
I don't know why.
Oh, my hair got in my face, though.
Say that you're gonna be. You're gonna be in love with me. I want you and need you to be. No. You're gonna be. Are you gonna be in love with me? I want you.